Good afternoon. This is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. Today I have a small setup at a church, and I just wanted you to know some of the things that I'm featuring for the fall season. These are tote bags. I used to do the flowers for church girls, and I switched up to flowers on totes. But the next thing I'm going to do is the ones that go on your jeans. I heard that's new. So you can always learn something, even if your sales aren't where you want them to be for a particular day. I have the little pumpkins, which are cute. I have the note and pen sets. They're only $5. I only brought one basket because it's the door prize. Believe it or not, I made 12 of these, 6 in red and 6 in silver, and they're all sold, except that one, and I'm using it for the door prize for today. I also have the tissue and pen sets. They're really cute. They're $8 or 2 for 15. Okay, and then we have the smaller ones, which are only $5 each. Okay, we have 2 cups left, and they are Bible verses. Psalms 37:4 in the red, and there's nothing inside, no candy or treats or anything, just the instructions. And the last one, strong, courageous, and this one is PAB free as well. It's Be Brave, Joshua 1 and 9. So here are the books. Choose Joy. Another Choose Joy. I have travel journals, and last I have graduation journals. We have small arrangements, which people call cash and carry, but now most people use card. So it's just something that if you want to have a little pick-me-up for your desk or whatever, you're welcome to use that. So, and these are pens, and this is the gift with purchase today. So if you purchase $10 or more, you get a gift with the purchase. And the only Christmas item I brought out here was this. It's 2 pens inside a holiday stocking. So I'm going to back out so you can see my entire table. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.